Hi guys, it's me. Today we're looking at a projector that's designed with one clear goal in mind: delivering strong performance without complications. This is the NP-P547UL WUXGA LCD laser projector, and with 5,400 lumens of brightness, it's built for environments where image clarity really matters. Brightness is the first thing that changes the entire experience. With 5,400 lumens, this projector doesn't fade when the lights are on. Whether it's a meeting room, lecture hall, classroom, or training space, the image remains clear and visible. You're not constantly adjusting lighting or fighting reflections just to see what's on screen. Resolution plays a huge role here as well. WUXGA resolution at 1920 by 1200 provides extra vertical space compared to standard Full HD. That means documents, presentations, and websites display more content at once, with sharper text and cleaner visuals. Long sessions become easier on the eyes, and small details stay readable even from a distance. The laser light source is where long-term value really comes into focus. Traditional lamp projectors require bulb replacements and gradually lose brightness over time. This laser system eliminates that issue completely. With up to 20,000 hours of operation, the projector stays consistent for years, reducing maintenance costs and downtime. It's designed for people who don't want interruptions. Image quality stays stable thanks to LCD technology. Colors appear natural and well-balanced, not overly boosted or dull. Whites remain bright, darker areas hold detail, and overall contrast stays controlled. Whether you're displaying charts, videos, or mixed media content, the image remains professional and polished. Setup flexibility is another strong advantage. The projector supports ceiling installation and offers lens shift and zoom options that allow easier alignment. This makes it far more adaptable to different room layouts. Even if the projector can't be placed perfectly centered, you can still achieve a properly framed image without distortion. Connectivity covers modern and legacy devices alike. HDMI ports handle laptops, media players, and streaming devices, while additional inputs support older systems still commonly used in offices and schools. Switching between sources is smooth, and the system remains reliable even during daily use. Noise control is handled well. During operation, fan noise stays low enough that it doesn't distract from meetings or presentations. In quieter rooms, this makes a noticeable difference, especially during longer sessions where background noise can become irritating. Energy efficiency is another benefit of laser projection. Less heat output and more consistent performance help extend internal component life while keeping power usage lower. For organizations that use projectors regularly, this adds up to meaningful savings over time. This projector isn't trying to be flashy or experimental. It's built for consistency, clarity, and reliability. It's the kind of device that quietly does its job every day without drawing attention to itself, which is exactly what many professional environments need. If you're searching for a high-brightness WUXGA laser projector that delivers dependable image quality, low maintenance, and long-term value, the NP-P547UL is worth serious consideration. And if you're interested in purchasing it, you'll find the link ready for you in the description.